forget everything you know about the truck. This one is massive, heavy duty, and electric. Let's find out. The Photon EST 6x4 tractor head EV is a fully electric heavy-duty truck designed for zero-emission logistics. Featuring a high-capacity battery, substantial towing power, and rapid charging capabilities. It was highlighted as a key green mobility solution in the Philippines as of early 2026. Key specifications and features of this heavy-duty truck: powertrain 100% full electric, battery capacity 281.92 kilowatt hour, charging time approximately 2 hours using DC fast charging, performance peak power of 536 horsepower, gross combination weight or GCW 49,000 kilograms. Drivetrain 6x4, 6-wheel layout with 4-wheel drive. Features: ergonomics interiors designed for heavy logistics and reduced maintenance. No oil changes. The EST 6x4 EV is part of Photon's broader green mobility initiatives, which includes a range of electric commercial vehicles.